time again. It's time for Barbells and Barbecue to review Fast Food Friday. This week, I had the crazy idea of deciding to review not one, but two of Dairy Queen seasonal blizzards during a blizzard. So we're going to review first the Candy Cane Chill Blizzard. I'm not much of a mint or candy cane guy, but we'll give it a shot. And then also the Sugar Cookie Blizzard. As you can tell, I can't really talk. It's freaking freezing out here, but let's get it. Well, I guess you can look at this one of two ways. This is either incredibly smart or really, really damn stupid. I'm more of a glass half full guy, so I'm gonna go with the smart part. I don't anticipate a line, as I have to be the only dipshit in town eating ice cream on a day like today. We're whipping her on into the old DQ. Just as anticipated, no one in the drive-thru.
Hi, welcome to my DQ. Would you like to try a 4-piece chicken strip basket today?
Tempting, but no thank you.
What can I give for you today?
All right, you don't think I'm crazy, but can I get a mini Candy Cane Chill Blizzard and a mini Sugar Cookie Blizzard?
We don't think that's crazy at all because we have had a lot of people coming through getting blizzards in the blizzard.
Cool.
Yeah, like that was well, sugar cookie, right?
Yep.
At $7.58 to the window.
Sweet. Pretty expensive for minis. Jeez, it's large, $25. Well, you heard it, folks. I'm not the only dipshit. Cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas. All right, guys, here we are. You're welcome, first and foremost. Me out there risking my life for you guys. Doing things a little bit different this week. So as you can see, I'm not in the kitchen. I'm outside the gym, where I'm literally going to try these and then go train at Max Upper today. So we'll start with the candy cane one. If you can see that or not. Oops, she's melting, boys. But they did the dump test. Let's try it out. Again, I told you guys I'm not really a mint or peppermint or candy cane person, but don't knock it till you rock it, right? So here we go. It's pretty festive. For those who don't know, my degree is in nutritional science. So these are both pretty macro-friendly. I track my food. In the candy cane, it's 370 calories, 61 grams of carbs, 11 grams of fat, and 8 grams of protein in this one. So pretty macro-friendly. Nice little pre-workout meal. So we'll give her a go. Oh, also for those who don't know, it's 2 days from Christmas. Christmas is my favorite time of year. So, very festive. Here we go. I didn't realize it had chocolate chips in it, or chunks of chocolate. And pulverized candy cane. It's not bad. If you're a mint lover, you're gonna love this. Texture-wise, great texture with the chips, and we all know chocolate and mint go well together. Not bad. If you're a mint person, this is a really, really, really good go-to for you. But not really my favorite. I'm a M&M's guy, not a Skittles, and I'm a chocolate and peanut butter guy, not a mint. But for a mint lover, snag it. Star-wise, or plate-wise, I'm sorry. For ice cream and dessert, I'll go 6.5. I'll give it a 6.5 plater. And again, I'm biased towards anti-mint. But this one I'm excited about. This one, sugar cookie. Frosted sugar cookie, I'm sorry, screwed up. The lady corrected me. A little higher in fat, 16 grams of fat, a little lower in carb, 54 carbs. Again, still 8 grams of protein. Coming in hot at 390 calories. Again, not bad, not bad. I've never ordered a mini before, so. But perfect for, like I said, training. Excited about this one too. Let's give it a go. It's got like sprinkles or something. I don't know if you guys can see that. Not much flavor at all, really. I'm not getting a whole lot of sugar cookie. Pretty plain. Might as well be vanilla with some kind of sprinkle. Not a fan. Was really excited about this because I love sugar cookies. But to be honest, the peppermint lips are frozen. The peppermint one probably has it beat. Just because I had high expectations on this, I'm going 5.5. 5.5 plates on this one. Not a big fan. But yeah, gonna go in here, crush a workout, get rid of this one, see if somebody else wants this one. But yeah, as always, we're lifting weights, crushing plates. We're about to crush some plates now. For those who like, subscribe, share, and comment below what you'd like to see next week. Stay tuned. Merry Christmas. For Barbells and Barbecue to review Fast Food Friday. This week, I had the brilliant idea of deciding to review not one, but two Dairy Queen seasonal blizzards. Holy shit.